Sorry for the delay on this video. I know I said it, would have come sooner before it has been, but, issues come up, stuff happen. It just got put on a back burner. I'm sure most of you can understand when stuff like that happens. But today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your brake from your, your ZF parking brake. Your brake pads, basically. Or your brake shoes. Don't know why I call them a pad. But I got a video on fully disassembling it to this part, but if you just need to change these, you still got to pull this shaft out either way. I do got a video on that on my channel. If you can't find it, let me know in the comment section. I will send you a link to it if I ain't already put it in the description. I sometimes forget, So first thing you want to do is take a 15mm on an impact, because you will not break these any other way. And put it on loosen. Whoops, I lost my impact. I got a helper here today. This is one of them impact guns that never do stay in place. Put it on and set it for loosen. And loosen these bolts. Whoops. Whoops. One-handed, guys. I should have brought my tripod out here. Oh, that's so much easier. Imagine trying to do this by hand. I guarantee you probably won't. Now, once you get that, you can remove all 4 of your bolts. Keep up with them. So, let's go ahead, and the next step will be, this should be able to pull up. And I'm trying not to get covered here, but
maybe a screwdriver.
Should be. There we go. Oh, that's right. It pulls straight up. Anyway, on the back side of this plate, yeah, I got it, boss. Thank you. On the back, I got a hurt ankle too. But on the back side of this plate, you can't get it mixed up. It's kind of like a normal drum brake assembly. You got these that connect here, these 2 springs, and then you got one here. Now, you need to pop these off. A one-way will help, a pair of pliers will. But you need to put this in a vise or something, because this will try to move on you, especially if you're trying to do it one-handed. You might get it with a one-way. On this side, there ain't nothing there. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Only thing you need to remove is this guy and these guys, and these pads will come off. Last you want to do is to honor, say some one-ways out here. Now this gives you access to your dust shield and everything. This shield right here, you probably can, if you want to change this, you could probably knock this off. Very simple, very easy. It's just a shield, and then 4 bolts like that is the only thing holds it on. And if you dealt with it, one of these, you know exactly what I'm talking about, that shields might need replaced. Knock it off like so. Pretty simple. And in case you need to know where this piece goes, and I ain't going to show you in this video how to assemble this, but I will in my next video, because I got to fully rebuild this. But it sits right here, and right on these tits goes straight down on here and works this brake shoe. Now let's go ahead and pop that off, boss. Don't matter any tools, I got new springs. When you buy the kit for this, new springs do come. And I told you before, a vise would help, because it does move on you. Don't matter when it comes to Bossy, he just forces it. You should be able to just pry them apart, boss, and that pop out.
Oh.
Should be able to.
They should have snapped in and out, shouldn't they?
It'll have like a little U-hook on it. It won't come out that easy. Well, I'll be damned.
It's worse than the cold trip.
It does come out that easy. But that's how you change your brakes. Now, as you can see, our pads needed replaced a very long time ago. That's what we're getting around to do. I'm going to probably soak this stuff in parts cleaner, or just give it a good scrubbing. I'll probably soak it. and then give it a good scrubbing. Might even powder coat it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I probably just clean it up real good, assemble it, because it's going on the tow truck. So if you found this video helpful of how to remove your brake pad, let me know. And keep a check back if you need to know how to assemble this. I will have this assemble video up very shortly, because I gotta replace everything here. If you see my previous videos on disassembling this, it was a chore now, I give it that, but it took some time, but we got it. And it was very damaged. It was a very damaged unit, but we are rebuilding it, replacing it, getting some use out of it. So drop me a like, leave me a comment, and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.